Delhi today recorded its worst air quality levels this winter, with AQI soaring into the severe category. Here is an excerpt from an interview with air pollution activist Bhaveen Kandhari, who explains the health harms and outlines a possible way forward.
PM 2.5 is like scrap a hair, like 1/100th of that hair.
Right.
It's that small. It goes through your. Once you take it, it doesn't go into your lungs. It goes into your bloodstream,
Right.
and the blood takes it everywhere. So
Correct.
it's extremely, as we know, and
Right.
and as children who are breathing much faster, they're also near the ground. So like right now in the winter, why are we seeing all this smoke? Because in the winter, it tends to settle on the nearer to the ground. So they are the worst victims
Right.
of air pollution and all the various things. The 0 to 5 years is the most crucial. It's the early childhood development, and that's where your cognitive abilities, etc. And now connecting all those with Alzheimer's and autism.
Correct.
Various studies have been shown. Doctors have said it. The top doctors are saying this. But it's just a matter of believing it.
Right.
ये मत
Absolutely.
बोलिए कि सर्दी है, हार्ट अटैक हो गया, सर्दी है, हमको बीमारी हो रही है, सर्दी में सांस की हो रही है, सर्दी नहीं है ये.
It's pollution.
It's air pollution.
Let's
Something
just
like this, various gases, the metals, the particulate matter, 2.5. They're all. It's impossible to. They will not vanish now. They're here.
Right.
They will stay with us.
Right.
So the only way to make this better for us is to stop them at the sources.
Correct.
Unfortunately, that's not being done. When you have to, maybe work on the systemic changes, that is more about the efforts. It's more about how your pollution boards are they strengthened, or even if you are working on compliances, are they being met? How
Correct.
strict. So those are the kind of things that have to be done.
Ma'am, since you mentioned Pollution Control Board, etc., I'm reminded that the Joint Air Pollution Committee, which is basically the apex body for monitoring and coordination for air pollution among NCR states, as of May 2025, if my memory serves me right, 55% seats were actually vacant.
Yeah.
And the Supreme Court had to take this up
Yeah.
and actually tell them that,
Yeah.
you know what, hire people.
Yeah,
So-
because the leaders are not leading in the right way. Your boards are not telling you. Your health ministry is so quiet that we are in the wrong. We are running marathons. We are conducting
yeah. That was
sports
bizarre.
days in the schools. The judiciary. This is an area where all the judges live. I mean, they're reading the same thing. They are actually having a marathon on the 9th. So
Right.
this is wrong messaging, and that is why these numbers are important. That we need to know that okay, ये number है तो ये severe है. आज हम ये नहीं कर सकते. मतलब it was as simple as that. There were days when we didn't have monitoring. There were some schools in the embassy schools who used to put flags that the children are entering and they see a red flag, so they know today we will not have sports.
Right.
So that is the kind of the seriousness that we have to deal with.
Correct. Unfortunately, air pollution has been normalized by a lot of citizens, right? And as you said, marathons being run, that is just bizarre.
The point is that you have to take the smaller ask.
Right.
Did you issue an advisory? Did you share? I mean, and even if you did at some point now, even when once the air has gone very severe hazardous and come back to normal, then you're issuing a health advisory. It makes no sense.
Right.
Where is the health advisory? Is it some website you've just put it? It should be reaching everyone. आप वो आरोग्य सेतु आपने बनाया.
Right.
आपका मैसेज आता है, festivals पे मुबारक
आता
देने
है
के
मोदी
लिए
जी का.
CM का.
Correct.
The CM should be saying this every day. अपना ख्याल रखिए. हवा खराब है. She's leading. She's a leader. हमारे जैसे लोग बोलेंगे 20, 30, 40 लोग सुन लेंगे तो हम उसी में कहेंगे very good, बहुत हुआ. It's not our job. It's when you see the mayor of London every day, he writes a post. He tells you, the mayor of Paris. This is the kind of the attitude needs to change. It's for all of us.
Right.
She's a mom. We're parents. We're all concerned about the children. We all have to speak about this in the right way. Don't hide. Don't say lies. Don't be deceitful. It's not going to help anybody in that.
Right.
And it's the messaging. See, in the COVID, how everybody was wearing a mask. Because, our Honorable Prime Minister said that, and everybody will follow. if they will all say the right things, people will follow. It's not about this government or the last, every one of them. The aim is always to hide. You have to come in the open. You have to fight it. It's a battle. And we can do it. There is nothing that, our country cannot do. We are, you have to bring in the, everyone together.
And also, the study by Center for Science and Environment that said that it is actually vehicular emissions
Yeah.
that contribute the most to air pollution throughout the year when
Absolutely.
we talk about year long. So, ma'am, do you think? I know odd even is very controversial. Some say that it works. Some
No,
say
it
didn't.
should work. It should
So,
work throughout the year.
do you think that was a great idea, and the BJP government should not be
Yeah.
ashamed to borrow it from Kejriwal and just implement odd and even because
Yeah.
the situation is absolutely
No,
serious.
but not in the graph and all that. Before they take any such step, give us a public transport.
Absolutely.
You cannot just do this and say that apni gaadi chhod do or ye nahi karo or wo nahi karo. That's why they must connect with the ground realities and make policy. It's not easy,
Right.
but it's doable.
Right.
So everything has so many things. We don't have lanes. There's no bus lanes. There's no discipline. And why is all that? Because again, what we spoke about pollution board. आपका एनसीडी में भी लोग नहीं है, आपका दिल्ली ट्रैफिक पुलिस में भी लोग नहीं है, दिल्ली पुलिस में भी नहीं है, हर जगह they are tired.
As we end this conversation, now we would like to end it on a positive note. So, if we can talk about some solutions to this tragedy, both at micro level, that is, what can, say, a normal citizen who's watching this can do, and of course, what the government should do in terms of agenda setting now.
So citizens, I believe in, they will do whatever you're led with. You cannot always give कि मैं अपना थैला उठाऊंगी तो आप प्लास्टिक सारी तरफ बांट रहे हैं, आपका बोर्ड तो देखता नहीं है और मेरे को मत बोलिए. सिटीजन आप पहले करिए एंड देन अगर जिसने उठाया उसको पेनलाइज करिए या करिए. सो आई मीन इन एवरी वे दिस इज द फॉर्मूला दैट वर्क्स. सो आई don't put the onus on citizens, and the government of course has to go a long way, especially on implementation and enforcement. We've seen at every stage, anything that you pick up right now, the problem is enforcement. And why is the problem in enforcement? Because first there is corruption, they're not doing their work, there are not enough people, their departments are absolutely raw, they don't have you don't have to make fancy buildings. You need to empower it. You have to give them all that to do
Right.
that.
Absolutely.
Whether you have to protect a tree, and you have everything to cut a tree in a city which is choking. You don't have nothing to protect them. You have 2 years ordering on tree ambulances, but you have nothing coming up. These are long battles. Judiciary has to come in. Judiciary is also, they love headlines, and they have to now make this happen, or make sure that things are happening on the ground. And that will happen only if you will prosecute people who have made mistakes. Your
Absolutely.
officers, your authorities. Otherwise, nothing will change.